My 3D acrylic DIY sticker wall clock has arrived from Jumia. I hope you are eager to see it. Even me as well. I'm also eager to see it. But I have to show it to you as my friend so that you also see how it look like. So join me as I am unboxing this wonderful wall clock. If this is the first time of you seeing me in this platform, so do well to give me a thumbs up and also tap on that follow button so that you can see others of my video. So with that being said, can we go into the video? All right, let's go. So as you can see the label, it's jumia.com.ng. As you can see, it's not tempered. This is a seal. This is a seal. I don't know if you can see this very well. Can you see it? This is a seal. The seal is not tempered. So right now, I'm also here with my unboxing tool so that it will be very easy for me to unbox this. But first of all, tell me what you think about buying online. Alright, let's move in. So this is my knife right here. The first thing that I am going to do is for me to peel off this label right here. As you can see, this is the first time peeling it off. So I'm peeling this right now. And this bag is too big. Look at how big the bag is. Yes, where we can open it. So I'll just tear this off. Whoa, here it is. Wow, so this is how it look like. Step by step, you'll break it down. No more guessing where the crown. And besides, according to the description, I was told that it comes with AA battery. So that is the reason I bought this battery, so we can put it as well. So there it is. Let it be there. Wow. Here it is. How it look like, and there's an even small nail right here. So these are the ends right here. So let it be there for now. Then we also have this guide right here. This is how it's installed. So we will look at this later. Let it be there. So these are the numbers. What is this one, by the way? Let's check out. Okay. This is what that will guide us in order to place the numbers in its rightful position. So I'll keep this aside for now. Those are the materials. Then, as I said earlier, these are the numbers. So this is the pack. We don't need this one. So this one can go away. I'll have to open these numbers right here. Okay, let me use this knife to open it. Wow, here it is. So this one, let this one be there. Okay, so the next one, what can we go for? Okay, this one right here. This is the main clock. So I will open this. Let's also test if it's working. Ta-da! There is even a small nail for it, so you hang it right here. Wow, here it is. So these are the ants. Let's clear our table. These are the ants. So let's open the ants. That complete. So let's check if it's working. First of all, put this one, the small ant. Okay, there it is. Then the second one, X. Then the third one, and there it is. Now finally, let's put our battery. Every tool makes you tech savvy and cool. It's tech time. Come along with OKON'S making you can't. Can you see that? Can you see it? Wow. So this is our clock, and this is how it will look like when we place it on the wall. Wow, it will be so beautiful. What do you think? Please let me know. I will also show you how it will look like when I mount it. So in case you want to set the time, you can turn it right here and then just turn it. And one of the most things I love about this clock is that it has no sound, so you will not be hearing that cock sound at night. So what do you think about it? Would it look beautiful on the wall? Please, I want to know your opinion in the comment section, and also just tell me if you would like to see the process on how I mount it to the wall and also how it look like. Thank you for staying with me to this point. I'll see you in some of my next video. Bye.